Remember, being happy doesn't mean you have it all. It simply means you are thankful for all you have. None can destroy iron, but its own rust can. Likewise, none can destroy a person, but his own mindset can. Strong people don't put others down, they lift them up. Broken hearts still carry love. What am I to do but surrender to the will of my beloved? A white flower grows in the quietness. Let your tongue become that flower. Politician, businessman, common man, farmer. Bitter fact. Be humble, you won't stay fresh forever. Don't believe anyone. People can change anytime. Your looks doesn't define your beauty, but your attitude does. I don't hate people. I just feel better when they are not around. When this line gets straight, everyone loves you. Dear heart, stop beating so hard for the one who never cared about you. Don't sacrifice your time for people who would not do the same for you. Be careful what you tell people. A friend today could be an enemy tomorrow. Never forget the hand that raised you. Do good for others. It will come back in unexpected ways. Respect. Respect is the more important element of personality. It is like an investment. Whatever you give to others, it will return you with profit. Push yourself. No one else is going to do it for you.